Hello and welcome friends in my new video. Today we are going to solve the capitalization method of Google and from chapter number 3. So let us start. We are going to solve question number 37 to 42. Question number 37, from the following information, calculate value of goodwill of the firm by applying capitalization method. Total capital of the firm is 16 lakh. Normal rate of return 10%. Profit for the year 2 lakh is given. We are going to solve by both the methods. Let us start. Question number 37. First, we are going to solve by the method average period, average profit capitalization method. Okay, by this method we are going to solve. So, average period is given to us, average profit is given to us. The average profit given is 2 lakh. B, capitalize value of average profit equals to average profit into 100 upon normal rate of return. Okay, so average profit is 2 lakh and the normal rate of return is given 10%. So it is 20 lakh. Now, C from Google equals to capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed so it is 20 lakh minus 16 lakh equals to 4 lakh. Okay, this is the first method. Now we are going to use our second method, that is super profit capitalization method. Okay. Second method, super profit capitalization method in that B. Now we are going to find out the normal profit. So normal profit equals to capital employed into NRR upon 100. So that will be 16 lakh into 10 upon 100. It is 1,60,000. Okay, now we are going to find out the super profit. So super profit equals to average profit minus normal profit. Okay, so this will be 2 lakh minus 1,60,000. It will be 40,000. Okay. Now we are going to find out the firm's goodwill equals to super profit. In capitalization method, there is a change here. Normally we take number of years purchase in super profit method, but it is super profit capitalization method. So it will be just like this, 100 upon n. So this will be 40,000 into 100 upon 10. So 4 lakh, the amount is same in both the methods. So please keep it in mind that you are going to solve by this method. Now we move to question number 38. A business has earned average profit of 1 lakh during the last few years. Find out the value of goodwill of by capitalization method. Given that the assets of the business are 10 lakh and its external liability is 1 lakh 80,000, the normal rate of return is 10%. By both the methods, let us start question number 38. By both the methods, first, A. This is average profit capitalization method. Okay. Average profit is given to us, and the actual profit is the average profit. So we are going to take it. It is 1 lakh. Okay. Now B, we are going to capitalize this. Capitalize value of average profit equals to average profit into 100 upon LR. So it will be 1 lakh into the rate is given to us is 10%. So 10 by 100, or sorry, 100 by 10. So it will be 10 lakh. Okay. C, firm's goodwill equals to capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed. So it will be 10 lakh minus assets minus liability. So it is 10 lakh. Assets are given 10 lakh and external liability is given only 80,000. Okay, so that will be 10 lakh minus it will be 8 lakh 20,000. So that will be 2 lakh 80,000. Okay. Is it okay? This is capital employed asset minus liabilities. Now we move to super profit method. B. B. Super profit capitalization method. Okay, in that first average profit is given to us, that is 1 lakh. Okay. Second, we are going to find out the capital employed. Capital employed equals to assets minus liabilities. That is external liabilities. Okay. So it is given 10 lakh minus 1 lakh 80,000. It will be 7 lakh 20. Sorry, 8 lakh 20,000. Okay. Now we move to C, normal profit. So normal profit equals to capital employed into normal rate of return upon 100. So it is 8 lakh 20,000 into 10%, that will be 82,000. Now the super profit. Super profit equals to average profit minus normal profit. Okay, that will be 1 lakh minus 82,000 equals to 18,000. T from 2 lakh equals to super profit into 100 upon normal rate of return. Super profit 18,000 into 100 upon 10. So it will be 1 lakh 80,000. Okay, this is the end of question number 38. Now we move to question number 39. From the following particulars, calculate value of goodwill of the firm by applying capitalization of average profit method. Profit for last 5 consecutive year ended are given. Capitalization rate is 20%. Net asset of the firm is 2 lakh. Okay, let us start. Question number 39. This question we have to solve by average profit method. So first, average profit we have to calculate. So average profit equals to sum of all the years profits upon number of years. Okay, so the profits are given 54,000 plus 42,000 plus 39,000 plus 67,000 plus 59,000 upon 5. So it is 5, 9, 12, 18, 23, 23. 5, 9, 12, 18, 23, 23. So 126, 236, 236. 245, 245, 245, 252, 252, 261, upon 5. 5 5 are 25, 1 carry 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 52, 200. Second one is capitalization of capitalized value of average profit equals to average profit into 100 upon n. That will be 52,200 into 100 upon 20. So it will be 5. Okay, so 0 0 0 and 11 will carry 26. 2 lakh 61,000. No, third. 1 will equals to capitalize value of average profit minus capitalized capital. Okay, so this is 2,61,000 minus 2 lakh equals to 61,000. This is the end of question number 39. Now we go to question number 40. A businessman has earned an average profit of 4 lakh during the last few years and the normal rate of return in similar business is 10%. Find the value of goodwill by capitalization of super profit method. And second, super profit method if the goodwill is valued at 3 years purchase of super profit. Assets of the business were 40 lakh and its external liabilities 7 lakh 20,000. Okay, so let us start. In question number 14, up to super profit we are going to calculate together, then we are going to calculate separately. Okay, so question number 14. First, average profit. So average profit is, I think, given to us, and it is 4 lakh. Okay. And second, normal profit equals to capital employed into NRR 100. Total assets are given to me, that is 40 lakh, and the external liability is given to me, that is 7 lakh 20,000, into rate is given to me 10%. Okay, so that will be 32 lakh 80,000 into 900. So it will be 3 lakh 28,000. Okay. Now third, super profit. Super profit equals to average profit minus normal profit. That will be 4 lakh minus 3 lakh 28,000. That will be 72,000. Okay. Now, first method here we are going to take is super profit capitalization method. Okay, in this, from goodwill will be from goodwill equals to super profit into 100 upon NR. So this will be 72,000 into 100 upon 10, 7 lakh 20,000. Okay. The next one is B, only super profit method. This is not capitalization, this is super profit method. In that, firms goodwill equals to super profit into number of years purchase. Okay, so it will be 72,000. The number of years purchase is given 3, so it will be 216, 2,16,000. Okay, so this is the end of question number 40. Now we move to question number 41. A firm earns profit of 5 lakh. Normal rate of return in a similar type of business is 10%. The value of total asset excluding goodwill and the total outstanding liability as on the date of goodwill are 55 lakh and 40 lakh respectively. That means 41 lakh will be capital employed. Calculate the value of goodwill according to the capitalization of super profit method as well as capitalization of average profit method. By both the methods we are going to calculate it again. So let us start. First we are going to calculate by average profit capitalization method. Okay. In that, first average profit equals to average profit is given to us is 5 lakh because the profit is average profit is actual profit. The second one is capitalized value of average profit equals to average profit into 100 upon normal rate of return. This will be 5 lakh into 100 upon normal rate of return is given 10%. So that will be 50 lakh. Okay. Next, from equation. Capitalize value of average profit minus capital employed. Okay, the effects of liability are given to us, and on that basis we are going to calculate 50 lakh minus assets are given 55 lakh, and liabilities, that is external liabilities, are given 40 lakh. So it will be 50 lakh minus 41 lakh. So it will be 9 lakh. Okay. Now we move to super profit capitalization method. From here it is going to change. Second method, that is super profit. Super profit capitalization method. Average profit we know very well. Now we are going to find out the normal profit. So normal profit equals to capital employed into normal rate of return upon 100. Assets are given 55 lakh minus 14 lakh external liabilities given into normal rate is 10 by 100. Okay. So it will be 41 lakh into 10 by 100. So it will be 4 lakh 10,000. Now we are going to find out third super profit. So super profit equals to average profit minus normal profit. Okay, that is 5 lakh minus 4 lakh 10,000 equals to 90,000. Okay, now we are going to find out 4 and 4 fully. 4 fully equals to super profit into 100 upon and so 90,000 into 100 upon 10, so that will be 9 lakh. In both the answers 9 lakh is same, that means answer is same. Now we move to question number 40. On 1st April 2018, a firm had assets of 1 lakh excluding stock of 20,000. We are going to add it. The current liabilities were 10,000 and the balance constituted partner's capital account. If the normal rate of return is 8%, the goodwill of the firm is valued at 60,000 at 4-year purchase of super profit. Find the actual profit of the firm. So let us start. 40. This is reverse question. From reverse we are going to calculate. So firm goodwill is given to us. We are having to find out the super profit. Okay, into number of years purchase is given to us. Goodwill is given 60,000. Super profit is given. The number of years purchase is given us to us is 4 years purchase. So it will be 60,000 upon 4. Okay, super profit. So that means 15,000 super profit. Okay. Now we are going to calculate normal profit from second. Normal profit equals to capital employee into 100 another upon 100. Okay. So let's find out the capital employee. The assets are given 1 lakh plus stock we have to include, and the external liability, that is current liability, is 10,000 we are going to deduct, and the rate is given 8%. Okay, so it will be 120, 110, 110 into 8%. So it will be 8,800. Okay. Now we have normal profit, we have super profit. From that we are going to have our actual or average profit, that is net profit. So average profit equals to normal profit plus super profit. Okay, this is 15,000 plus 8,800, 23,800. This is the end of question. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you.